starts, I just wanted to show you guys my nails. I got caliper in red and an almond shape, and I haven't got my nails done in, I don't even know, like not even before quarantine because I had color guard. So I haven't had my nails done in a long time and I'm super excited. So yeah, hey, what's up, hello. So for today's video, I asked you guys on Instagram between two different videos that you wanted, and you wanted a room tour. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I know I'm breaking out a little bit and I'm just being a natural queen, okay? Because the next video, I'm going to be vlogging a photo shoot that we're doing, and I'm gonna have on makeup and I'm like super pretty. Admire the natural queen, okay? So yeah, I'll start at my door and I'll give an overview and then we'll just go from there. And I'm just gonna start on this wall right here because it's my favorite, as you guys saw in my last video. But this is a brick wallpaper that I got from Amazon, and then I got these two plants from local farms. And then this shelf is from Amazon too, and the lights are from Five Below. Each one of them was $5. And I just think they're such cute accents. And this clothing rack is full of my Depop stuff, and I'm going to be shopping this weekend as well. So if you haven't already and you like vintage goodies, instead of going to the thrift store, you should check out my Depop. My Depop actually has really cute stuff. This has cow print. This is like tie-dye, like what the heck. This is a Levi's jacket. These are patched shorts, some pants that I dyed, and then these are pants that have little flames on them. And then these are like the two-tone shorts, which are Levi's as well. And yeah, I just think my shop has a bunch of goodies and it doesn't get the recognition that it deserves. Okay, so when we come this way, we have this wall, and there's me. Let's start over here. I have some candles that I got for Christmas 2 years ago, yes. And then on this shelf, I have another candle. I'm not sure where that thing came from. And these two are what I made in ceramics class when school was a thing. And that's a plant that my sister got for Christmas. I have not yet used it, but it's super cute, so I just wanted to keep it up. And then here is some of my camera equipment. Like, I have my Polaroid camera, which was actually my sister's, but she just didn't use it anymore. And then I have another lens for this camera. 2 boxes of film, because that's what I got for Christmas. And then when we come this way, here I am. This is a mirror that I got from the thrift store, and I painted it white. Obviously, it's not the best paint job, but it does the job. And then here's a picture that my mom got me of me and my best friend. Super cute. So senior night, and senior night was so fun. And then when we move down, we have more of my ceramic stuff. Like, made this. It's a bowl where you can eat out of. This was a project where we had to make it look like we were digging up something underground. And then this is my butterfly terrarium looking thing. And I even have clouds up there. I never even got to turn this one in, but it just looks so pretty. And then when we come this way, I have this little thing I think my mom gave me. It just says live, love, grow. And then I have 3 of my sunglasses that I usually wear, and I'm not sure where I got them. This one I got from a brand. You should probably see that on my Instagram. And these I think I got from like Walmart, and these I got from Walmart. And then when we move up, I have this thing that's like just a wooden hand, and back in like 2014 when I was all into the aesthetics, I spray painted it gold, and I just had it ever since. Ew. And then this is what my camera lens came in, and then this is like a packaging thing that my parents got me for Christmas a few years ago. And then when we go up a little bit more, that is candles from Goodwill. That is another camera that I don't really use anymore, and that's just a white bowl because I didn't know where to put it. And yeah. Okay, so when we come this way, I have this little shoe thing that is to be my separation. I think I got it from Target, and I think I got this from Target as well, but the batteries are running out, so you can't really tell. But here's an overview. Ryan Little. Okay, so let's just start on this side because it'll be easiest. Underneath there are some baskets which I don't really know where they're from. They're just here to hold this mirror up. And then I have this mirror. It's like a full-length mirror. And I think my sister got this from Target. I stole it from her because she wasn't using it. This is something that we made at our last band camp. Kind of sad, but I'll just keep this forever. And also, if you haven't already, thank you so much for 500. And then going this way, this is all my jackets and such. Obviously we don't need them right now. Okay, so back there are all of my dresses, and I have my cap and gown back there too. And then here I just have a bunch of shoes. Am I the only one that can have this many shoes and still feel like I don't have the right shoes for the right outfits? Okay, so then when we go this way, I have all of my tops and such, and I have my belt. And then anything that used to be in a drawer, I just put it up here because I feel like it's so much easier. Now I can see what was actually in my drawers, and stuff like doesn't get lost. So basically, if you have a dresser and you can get rid of it, get rid of it. I can do an outfits video, but here's like an overview of some of my pieces. And I think this is another sign my mom got me. It just says be happy, and it's super cute. And I got these vines from Amazon, and I'm not sure where I got these lights, but they're super cute. And this is also a bed sheet that I made into like, I don't know if it's called like a canopy, but yeah, it's just like, it just looks aesthetic and I like it. And then here I have any hangers, and then I have my belts and such, and back there I have like bags and like purses, and then I have a scale that I never step on. And then when we go this way, we're not gonna mind my dirty clothes, we're just gonna look at the overview. So basically I made those two paintings. They're like abstract painting. And then I think these are two signs that my mom gave me. It says keep it simple and stay positive. And yeah, and then this is a huge mirror that I got for $15 at a thrift store, and then I've spray painted it gold so it could look more antique like, and I really like it. And this is just a chair that I had in my room. When I'm putting on my shoes, I can just like put on my shoes and then get up and go. So I think this is super helpful instead of like me getting rid of it. Pillows, they actually have like flowers on them, but they don't go with the aesthetic anymore. So yeah, and this is just a Goodwill bag that I have to take back out to my vehicle. Okay, so next, you guys always see this mirror, but I'll just go over it again. So this rug, I'm not sure where it's from, but yeah. And then I got this bag for Christmas. It's like a side bag. It just is so helpful, and I use it every single day. And then this chair I got from Amazon, I think. And then this desk I got from Amazon. I kind of have some painting stains, but it's okay. Over here I have all my headbands, hair scarves, anything, and then I have my necklaces and earrings, so it's just so easy to walk over here and pick out. And then over here I used to be obsessed with scrunchies, as you can see, and yeah, I just have a bunch of them. And then I have just more products up here. This is just 4 products, and then this is my light. Ta-da! And it just helps me a lot in the mornings. And then over here I have more products. I can do like a review of all the products that I have because I kind of have a lot of random ones. And then over here I have more hair products, and a lint roller, and a mirror. Hey! And then here in this drawer I have more makeup and just junk, so we're not gonna look through there. And then up here I have these records. I probably got all of them for like $3 at Goodwill, and I even had some more. So yeah, a record wall is a must. And then if we keep going, I have this. So we'll start down here. These are just some art supplies that I have, and these are some pens that my sister got me for Christmas. And then here's this to water my plants, but I've been a terrible plant mom recently. And then I have my bullet journal. I have a book about photography. I have a book about drawing, and then I have these papers that I use for my business cards. And if we move up, this is my Christian Standard Bible, and I've been trying to read 1 page every day. I didn't get it too long ago, but I did get to read the first page, and I like took notes on it, and I just want to continue doing that. Okay, and then this thing I got from Goodwill. It's literally like a computer screen, so I had to get it. And then this my sister was gonna throw away. I think it's for art, so I'm gonna keep it. And then I have this cute little pencil sharpener. It's literally the cutest thing ever. Like, it's an elephant. And then in here, this is like a beach in a bottle. It says seize the day, and is a gift, and it's now growing like algae on it. Okay, so over here we just have more art supplies. I really don't want to go in depth with this stuff, but yeah. And this is a suitcase that I got from Goodwill, and it's full of my art supplies you guys have seen in different videos. And I just have my palette out because I was painting last night. And then up here I have some goodies as well. Okay, so I'll just start from the left. This is just another candle that I have. I love these kind of candles because I just put them in the corner where I do my art, and I just take all that goodness in. Okay, and then here I have some of these little gems and such. Here I have this sign. I got it from Five Below, and yeah, it was super cute. And then this, I must have got on like a field trip or something, but it's supposed to be like a turtle egg. It's not really, but it's supposed to look like one. And then I have these. These are super, super cute and pretty. They're just like glass stars. I'm not even sure where I got them actually. And then I have more of these gems because I think that they're super pretty, and I know that they're supposed to have meaning behind them. So yeah. And then my grandma got me this. It's like a bag inside of here. Like it opens up to be an even bigger bag, and it just says Lauren. She believed she could, so she did, and that motivates me every day. And then I have another plant, which again, if I touch it, it's gonna fall, like it's gonna start falling apart. And then I have this little cactus plant. And then for this, it like brings rainbows on whatever it's shining. Basically, it just makes a rainbow on whatever you're shining the sun on. Okay, so if we go back this way, this is my art corner. So I got tired of them just sitting on the floor, so I just wanted to make a collage of it on my wall. So basically, my mom gave me this stool. I'm not sure what the brand is. And then I got this as a gift from my best friend. Thank you very much. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah. And then here's another plant. It's beautiful, but I just am so bad with watering them. That's just a clipboard for me to use if I'm like on the go. Okay, so last but not least is this wall. My bed, my parents ordered it from their store, so I'm not sure where they got it. This bedding I think is from Target. This pillow I stole from my sister. And then yeah, so let's just do a quick overview of this. So basically this is my Polaroid wall. It's not finished at all. And yeah, so I just have some random hats right here. And then this do what you love sign, that's from Amazon. Yep. And this bucket hat is from Walmart, and look, it's like cheetah print, but then it's also black, and it's the best thing I've ever had, right? I have my phone, but look, I want to show you guys my background. Some of you might be needing this motivation, so take this as your sign. Okay, so then lastly I have this, which is a moon, which I can change to literally any color ever, and I just think it looks the prettiest on pink. And then these are vines that I got from Amazon, again, same ones as in the closet. And then this is something that my sister got me for Christmas. It says it's a Jeep thing. You wouldn't understand, that's what it says. And then this I got, I think it's my sister's, and I just kept it because she didn't want it. This is something that I've had since I was a little girl. It's just a little angel. That's something else that my mom got me. It says, "You are loved more than you will ever know." And then, yeah, that's just another painting that I made. And then when we come this way, it is just a mess. This is not gonna stay there, and these cords are just yucky, so yeah. But this is just a little nightstand that I got from the thrift store. It was like a nasty brown color, and I painted it white, and it just looks so much better. And then I have an alarm clock, I have this, I have my Apple Watch, which I still have not set up yet. My sister gave it to me, and I'm grateful for it. And then I have this Neptune Fitness Apparel water bottle that I drink out of every single day. And then this is just like something to do my work on laying in bed, you know? And then here's another full body mirror. I'm not sure where I got this one, probably from Target again. And then over here is where I keep my keys, my mask, and an umbrella because it's been rainy in Florida, and yeah. So, I hope you guys like this aesthetic room tour. Please like and subscribe, and please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, thank you so much for 500. Okay, bye.